How to sign in Ubank app account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can we log in into the Ubank mobile banking account. So let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to go to ubank.com.au and hit enter in your browser. After that, you will reach to the home page of Ubank. From here, locate the option of login in the upper right hand side of the screen. Click on it and you will reach to this kind of interface where you can enter the correct form of your username or your email or your mobile number in this designated area. Or if you want to sign up with a UB Bank, you can just simply click on this option over here, and before you can use the online banking from the browser, you'll need to set yourself up in the app. So open your mobile phone application of your UB Bank and then set yourself up. After you enter the correct form of your username, your email address or your phone number in this designated area, simply click on the next button over here. Then you will reach to the password section, and from here you just have to enter the correct form of your password. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on this option over here to retry or reset your password. Verify yourself by entering the password correctly, and after you hit login, you will be successfully logged into your UB Bank mobile banking account. So this is all about how to sign in or how to log into UB Bank account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.